Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just did do a video about 2 minutes ago, and I am just going to I showed you 2 really rare ones. Now I'm going to show you all of them, but I'm not going to be tasting them because that'll be too long of a video. That's how much pineapples I have. So the very first one I've ever had is this tropical punch. And it was really good. I'd probably rate it a 6 out of 10. It was really good. Next I had is Metamoon. It was really good. I probably rate it a 7.6 and a 7.6. Next, I also have another really rare flavour twice, because I liked it. I had it twice. Next up is lemonade. I had that third. It was not very good. I'd rate it a 3 out of 10. It's the worst. Next I had was, oh no, not that one. This one, blue raspberry. That was really good. That was so good. I don't know how I can explain it. I don't know how I can explain it. It's like, but I would give it about 8.5 out of 10. Next, it's probably, well, which one did I have first? Well, I had these 2 on the same day. Oh, I just dropped one. So I had orange and strawberry watermelon on the same day. Let's go to one first. Let's go with strawberry watermelon first. This one was very good. Tastes like watermelon, like it should, from strawberry watermelon. Can you see? Strawberry watermelon. It was very good. I'd give it about a, I don't know. I'll come back to that one. Next up is orange. This was not good at all. I don't know. I'd give it a 1 or 2. Let's give it a 1.5 in the middle. It's not very good. Next. Oh, I have 4 really rare ones. Right, first really rare one is Cherry Freeze. That was very good. I'd give it, I don't know. I'd give it about a 6.5 out of 10. But I also have another one. If you don't believe me, one has an L, one has a nothing. One has an L, one has a nothing. Told you. Have 2. Next up, lemonade. This is one of the rare ones that I did in my video about 2 minutes ago. I would give this, well, I'm going to taste it, because this one and that, the one after, that last one, has something in. So, cheers. Ooh, I give that a 7 out of 10. It's not bad. Right, next This one's really rare. It is Glowberry. It says it right here. It's really good. If you don't believe me, that there's juice inside. Look. You can see it bubbling up. I told you there's juice inside. It's really good. I can't. I don't know what it. I'll pick that up in a minute. Cheers. That is so good. Oh, I can't. I don't know what it is. That's actually really hard to rate out of 10. I give it a 9.5. 95 out of 100 or 9.5 out of 10. It's not bad. Right, guys, that will end up the video for today. So, as always, peace. Bye.